How would you like to make money from the comfort of your own home, working virtually and making up to $500 a day with this brand new website that I have for you guys? And trust me, this is gonna work for you if you just follow everything that I'm saying. And to be transparent with you, only the people who do what I say literally start making money, because if you just watch the video and you don't take action, it does not work for you. So first thing what I have for you to do is grab a pen and paper and take notes, because literally you have to take notes, because this website is it's gonna give you a lot of money, and you are gonna be sending emails. I mean, you're gonna get emails into your inbox of new jobs, and you have to keep that for yourself, because if you share it, that people will make it. And the reason why I'm sharing with you guys, because I test them out first and then I share it with you guys. So this is gonna work, and the website we're gonna show you in just a second. But before that, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on, because in this channel we show you guys how to make money online, how to make passive income online with just your computer or mobile phone. And the best part about this method today works worldwide, and even if you live in a third world country, it will literally work for you. And just one thing that I need from you to do is watch this video towards the end of the video and grab a pen and paper and start taking notes. And yes, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so and like the video, and also let me know in the comment section below where you guys from, so I can make videos based on your country. And without further ado, we are going to go into the video. And if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my recommendation link in the description. It's literally in the first link in my description. Go ahead and take that link out and go ahead and search, check it, and you'll see so much value from that as well. It is my number one, and it's the way how I started online income online, making money online, and that's where I started. And the website we're going to be going into, it's very simple, guys. It is really simple. It's called apen.com and then /jobs. Now this is the website that I haven't seen people talking about this website before, but it's very famous and people know about this website, and they have been doing it for many years. So the website is very simple, and all you have to be doing is just as you can see, it says part-time flexible jobs, and you're gonna be working as a part-time, and you're gonna set your time as you want. And whenever you do is basically you are going to be applying for projects which is very in a good quality, and you're also gonna be getting paid hourly, apart from additional commissions and like things like transcription, things like translating from language to a language. And also you'll have a micro task where you're basically going to be working from right away, and there's going to be very simple easy jobs that you can be doing. And as you can see, they have so many, and they are very famous with language jobs, so translating between different languages. And this is very simple. Now here's what you're going to be doing. You are going to be clicking in here, and okay, and once you're going to click, and you're going to see these, and you're going to apply for them. All right, now before we even go to that, so I'm going to show you how I was getting these jobs. Basically, you can see this is my email inbox. I was getting emails every single day, basically for new projects. All right, you can see, and this is another way they can send in me, and this is the one that I was very interested in. They just sent me yesterday, I guess a day ago. You can see they said earn in computer voice rating task, which is very simple task that you're gonna be, all you have to do is log in, but before that you have to be signed up, which is I'm gonna show you in just a second. And now as you can see, all of these jobs are getting straight into my email inbox, and as you can see, all of them are very hot emails that they are giving me jobs. And then the jobs is, some of them are hourly, some of them are full task, which is $900 equal to $900, some of them for $500. And so the project is, so this is one of them that they sent me. And as you can see, the project Amor, and do you usually purchase online? Do you like items for free? They're gonna send you items, and then you're gonna review these items as well. And basically from this company, I think it's an e-commerce company, and they're gonna send you these products, and you're gonna test them. Another one, an invitation for another job, basically. And you can see all of these projects I'm getting invited into, and you're gonna earn money from that. Now here's what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna click here, apply, so that you can apply for the projects. And once you apply, they're gonna give you the assignment for that. Now basically here's what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna first of all say your country, which is they have basically, it works worldwide, and even if it's not there, you're gonna click in here. I'm in United Arab Emirates, so I'm gonna click that, and then basically here's what you're gonna be doing. What is your primary language, and you're gonna say which one is it. So basically for me it's Arabic, and and then here you're gonna be typing where you're from, so basically from which country you are from. And for this matter, I'm just gonna say United Arab Emirates, and then here click here to add another language. If you have, for example, English is also another language that I speak, but I'm just not gonna do it so that we don't have so much time for this. And contract, I intend to connect directly with ABN as an independent contractor. I intend to contract with ABN through my own registered business. So basically this is what's contract gonna be. Because you don't even have a company, right? You don't have a business, so this is you want them to be your contractor, and you're gonna fill your details from here, and then you're gonna add your primary phone number, and then your second phone number, and then you're gonna add your CV, this is very important. You have to add a CV, and then you can enter here how many years have you lived in your current country or residence. You're gonna add all of these, and then you're gonna basically you're gonna submit all of these, and then once you submit, there's 90% guaranteed you are gonna be accepted, because they want people to work for this company. All right, now once you do that, you are either gonna be checking your emails for all the jobs, or you are gonna be seeing from the homepage. All right, once you log in, you're gonna see it from your homepage, or easier than done is by just going to your email and then looking for these jobs, and then you're gonna sign up for them. All right, that's how simple this is gonna be, right? And then that's easy checks that gonna be transferred into your bank account for literally doing all of these jobs. All right, now I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this was a very eye-opening for you guys, that it is literally easy to make money online. And if you even get laid off, this is a really good opportunity. With this coronavirus going on right now, it's very, very bad, and so many people are getting laid off, and they don't have jobs, or they don't have way to support their family or their loved ones. So this is one of them that you guys need to get into. And apart from that, if you guys are looking to make another ways of income, and you think all of these are very hard and it's not gonna be very good for you, so I have another opportunity for you, which is the link in my description. It's my #1 recommendation. And before you even click, I'm gonna explain why you need to click that, and why you need to sign up for this program that I'm in, which is done by the #1 marketer online, and that's David Sharpie, and he's gonna show you how you can make money from your laptop, from your comfort of your own home. But before that, you're gonna need to get the training done for you, so that you can be a good marketer, that's what you have to do. And if you guys are new into this business, this is what you're gonna be doing, and that's why I'm recommending you guys this training. Once you click on that, it will take you to an opt-in page, and then you're gonna add your email, and then it will take you to a page of me explaining why I joined and why I think it's a good opportunity for you guys. And then it will take you next to the sales page of Dave Sharpie, where he's explaining to you guys why this is a good opportunity for you and why you need to join. And that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you guys enjoyed, to hit that subscribe button and like the video as well. And also, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.